This land is my land, and only my land. My father built this fence by hand with nails and wood. This land is my land, it'll never be their land.
Beckflintlocks.com here. I got a Dickert style Lancaster Longrifle with a 42-inch swamped barrel. It also has the Chambers Siler Lock. It's got a wooden patch box. The wood in this gun is absolutely gorgeous. It's got yellows, ambers, browns, and white coloration coming out. I absolutely love it. The carving on this gun has C&S scrolls. It's incised carving. This is a triple here. There's one forward the cheek piece, as well as one above the entry pipe here. I absolutely think this gun is gorgeous. I love the silver star that's incised in the cheek piece. The hand-rubbed oil finish looks absolutely amazing in the sun. You know, I love building these guns, but the hardest part, and the part I hate most, is when I got to send it to a new home with the purchaser, because I would really love to spend a lot more time with this gun, because it is absolutely gorgeous. But let's see how it performs, because that's what it really comes down to. What this bad boy can do. A little extra power. Oh yeah.
Tall with a 10-pound hammer and enough packed rifles to take Alabama. Knock